Hello guys! If you are searching for the Hostinger coupon code 2026 to get the maximum discount on web hosting or VPS hosting, this video will help you step by step. So let's get straight to the point on how to use the Hostinger coupon code 2026. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. Very important. Use the special link because the Hostinger referral discount and promo offer may not appear without it. Next, choose the hosting type you need, like web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, WordPress hosting, or VPS hosting. If you are a beginner, web hosting is enough. If you need more power and performance, VPS hosting is the best option. Now I'm choosing VPS hosting. Next, scroll down to pick your plan. Here you can see which plan is popular. Also, here you can see how much discount Hostinger offers for each plan. Take your time and choose based on your needs and budget. Once you go through the plan, hit the Choose Plan button. Next is the order summary page. Here choose the billing period of 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. Usually, the longer billing period gives the biggest Hostinger discount. 12 and 24 months plans are generally the best value because you can also get a free domain for 1 year. Now scroll down and choose a server location closest to you or your audience for better website speed and performance. Next, in the order summary, you can see the Hostinger referral discount automatically applied. This is why using the special Hostinger coupon code link is important. Now hit the Continue button. Enter your email and set your password. Important tip: use a new email that is not already associated with an existing Hostinger account because coupon words for first-time users. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment, and you will receive a confirmation email from Hostinger. And that's it. You have successfully claimed the Hostinger deal using the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link.